for section 5.1 part 2, the subcategory that we're going to be working with, uh, deals with pages 334 to 343. These are the 7 different objectives that are going to work with this particular subcategory. So this is part 2 of section 5.1. We're going to be working with different types of sampling, such as a simple random sample, how to create a simple random sample, different types of random sampling, a probability sample, random number tables, etc. So we're going to be working with different kinds of sampling. For a simple random sample, the thing that we need to be concerned about here is that on a simple random sample, it is the most basic kind of sample, but it's the most important. It's the simplest and most important. We're going to be working with how to answer questions that deal with random samples. And if you remember when we were dealing with the R squared, I told you there's kind of like a formulaic response where R squared is the percent variance accounted for, etc. So it's essentially just one sentence that you only had to really change 1 or 2 words in. Well, it's the same thing with the simple random sample. We only really have to change 1 or 2 words when we answer things dealing with a simple random sample. Random digits. The next slide, we're going to be practicing how to use a random digit table, but there's a couple of key things. Each entry is equally likely to be any of the 10 digits 0 through 9, not 1 through 10, 0 through 9. Make sure you use 0 through 9, not 1 through 10. The entries are independent of each other. That is, knowledge of one part of the table gives no information about any other. So there's not a pattern at all involved in a random digit table.